Do you wish to learn English for job opportunities, travel, entrance examinations, meetings and businesses, improving your confidence? Well, what are you waiting for? Welcome to Native Camp. My name is Teacher Kaili. I'm 20 years old from the Philippines. I'm a communication graduate and I've been teaching English as a second language for more than 3 years now. I teach in a fun and interactive manner, and I cater to students of all ages. I will help you improve your reading, pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and English oral fluency. Here, we will learn about new words and expressions, phrases, and sentence structures. Exciting! Looking forward to have you in my class. See you!